Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to unsend a snap or chat message on Snapchat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Then tap on the message icon from the bottom. Now open the conversation from where you want to unsend a message. Then tap and hold the chat message or snap. In the menu that pops up, tap Delete. Another window will pop up, tap OK. To confirm, tap Delete Chat. Your message will then be removed from the conversation. Your friend will be able to see that you have deleted a message from the conversation, but they won't be able to see the deleted message or open a deleted snap. So in this way, you can unsend a snap or chat message on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.